Safety features. Here are brief highlights of the safety features in your new vehicle. Because it is essential to understand these features in detail, please consult your owner's manual for more complete information. Child restraint systems. This vehicle is equipped with the lower anchors and tethers for children latch system, which includes lower anchors and top tether anchors. Please refer to your owner's manual to find out which seating positions are equipped with anchor points. If your child restraint is not latch compatible, the vehicle's seat belts can be used to secure the child restraint. For details on the installation of child restraint systems, please read the Child Restraint Owner's Manual and the special section in your vehicle's owner's manual. Child Safety Rear Door Locks. This feature helps prevent rear doors from being opened accidentally, which is especially important when small children are passengers. The levers are on the edge of each rear door. When in the lock position, the rear door can only be opened from the outside. Seatbelt warning light and chime. These important features remind you to fasten seatbelts. The light illuminates whenever the ignition is in the on position. It stays on until the driver's seatbelt is fastened. The chime also sounds for 6 seconds unless the driver's seatbelt is secured. The seatbelt warning light may also illuminate if the front passenger's seatbelt is not fastened when the front passenger's seat is occupied. It will not go on for about 5 seconds after the ignition is turned on, allowing time for the passenger to buckle up.
Front passenger airbag status light. The front passenger airbag shuts off and the status light illuminates when the seat is occupied by a small adult, a child, or a child restraint system. The status light will turn off when the airbag is on and the front seat is occupied by an adult. Please refer to your owner's manual for a complete understanding of the operation and safety precautions for this system. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, monitors tire pressure. If the low tire pressure warning light flashes for approximately 1 minute and then remains on after you turn the ignition on, the TPMS is not functioning properly. Have the system checked by a Nissan dealer. A check tire pressure warning message will appear in the vehicle information display, and the TPMS light will illuminate when one or more tires are low on pressure and air is needed. Adjust the low tire pressure to the recommended cold tire pressure shown on the tire and loading information label. After tire pressures are adjusted, drive the vehicle at speeds above 16 miles per hour to activate the TPMS. The warning and indicator light will disappear. Tire pressure rises and falls depending on the heat caused by the vehicle's operation and the outside temperature. Low outside temperature can lower the temperature of the air inside the tire, which can cause a lower tire inflation pressure. This may cause the low tire pressure warning light to illuminate. If the warning light illuminates in low ambient temperature, check the tire pressure in all 4 tires. The tire and loading information label provides important information at a glance. It lists proper tire size and pressure. It also lists the maximum number of occupants for your vehicle and its maximum load capacity. Please check your owner's manual for the location of the tire and loading information label on your vehicle. A final note: this system does not detect a sudden drop in tire pressure as with a tire blowout, and it is not a substitute for proper tire maintenance.
Hazard Warning Flasher Switch. Push this switch when you need to warn other drivers that you must stop and/or park under emergency conditions. All turn signal lights will flash. Push again to turn off your flashers. Vehicle Dynamic Control, VDC. The Vehicle Dynamic Control, VDC system uses various sensors to monitor driver inputs and vehicle motion. Under certain driving conditions, it controls brake pressure and engine output to help the driver maintain control of the vehicle. VDC, which should remain on when driving, except when freeing the vehicle from mud or snow, cannot prevent accidents due to abrupt steering, carelessness, or dangerous driving techniques. Always drive safely. When you push the VDC off switch, an indicator light will illuminate. If you have turned off the VDC system, it will turn back on when you push its switch a second time. Also, when you turn off and then restart your vehicle, the system will automatically come on again. Consult your owner's manual for further details on this system.